Hey, Paul, I gotta wonder, it just feels so strange to have that kind of weather in May, but also have it be so warm too, right?
Right, just kind of two sides of the same coin. So we had the below average temperatures, and now things are going to flip around. We're going to be way above normal, not just the end of this week. Looks like the warmer temperatures are going to stick around for a while. So
isn't May supposed to kind of be sort of even
kind
keel?
Of a tranquil month.
The showers bring the flowers.
Yeah, the May gray.
And then May gray. That's very usual. And then you get into June, but it's just weird to have this kind of temperature flux.
It's going to be an up and down pattern for the next, several days. Now we go up after we've been down a little bit over the weekend. But if you didn't like the winter weather this weekend, well, that's the good news, is that we get to enjoy the opposite of that. Summer-like temperatures settling in later this week, and also dry weather settling in as we head through the rest of the week. And this rain chance that we had over the weekend was the last significant one that we are going to be facing through the rest of the season. Let's take a look at what things look like outside right now. And there is the fog hanging out behind the buildings of downtown San Francisco. That fog isn't going to be widespread early tomorrow morning, but there's going to be some of it out there. It should dissipate pretty quickly. Temperatures only 58 degrees in San Francisco, with everybody else still in the middle portion of the 60s. So another cooler than average day to start the work week, but we're back to near average temperatures tomorrow and then above average beginning already on Wednesday as the climb will be officially underway. If you're heading out to the Coliseum, temperatures at game time as the A's started a 3-game series against the Texas Rangers. Going to be in the upper 50s, cooling down to the mid 50s with some of that fog and low cloud cover trying to cross over the bay. And temperatures are going to continue dropping through the rest of tonight, down to the 40s by early tomorrow morning, mostly in the mid to upper 40s, which is normal for early May. Low 40s for some of the coolest spots in the North Bay valleys. And then temperatures are going to warm back up to pretty much what's typical for this time of year. Everybody within a degree or two of average by tomorrow afternoon, up into the low 70s for San Jose and Los Gatos, also Morgan Hill in the low 70s inland in the East Bay. Some spots around the bay even getting up to around 70 degrees, like down the peninsula in Redwood City. Along the coast, upper 50s for highs by tomorrow afternoon. Still waiting on that warmer air to arrive there. Temperatures around the bay, mid to upper 60s in San Francisco and Oakland, several degrees warmer than today, and low to mid 70s inland in the North Bay, 75 degrees in Santa Rosa, one of the warmer spots by tomorrow afternoon. The warmth really kicks in beginning on Wednesday. Here's a look at the 10-day temperature outlook for Livermore, one of the spots inland that's going to have the most fluctuation over the next several days. You can see this peak that happens by Friday and Saturday. Temperatures getting close to 90 degrees and then dropping back modestly, but still above average temperatures through the weekend and into the first half of next week. Now, as that warmer air arrives, the air mass that is going to bring it to us is going to squeeze up against the departing storm system and produce some gusty offshore winds. Beginning already tomorrow, the winds are going to be noticeable, but not too strong yet by tomorrow afternoon. Beginning to pivot to that northerly direction. Some of the strongest gusts, and we're zoomed in on the East Bay and the North Bay because that's typically where our fire weather concerns are the greatest. Some of the strongest gusts in the 20 to 25 mile an hour range. The strongest winds coincide with the wind advisory I showed you a little bit earlier, both in terms of timing and placement. Solano County getting some of those stronger gusts, especially at elevation, close to 40 mile an hour gusts, even before the sun comes up around Vacaville, and those numbers are going to basically hover in place for several hours on Wednesday, and it's going to be a blustery day overall. But those offshore winds, it's a warmer direction. It's going to help to warm temperatures up even closer to the water around the bay and along the coast. It's also going to be dispersing plenty of pollen. One more day in the medium category tomorrow, and then we're into the medium high category for the pollen count by Wednesday and Thursday, so just make sure that you are prepared for that. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast, and again, one of these things is not like the other, and that thing is tomorrow's forecast. Normal weather or normal high temperatures for tomorrow, and then we're way above normal as we head through the end of the work week and even into the weekend. Even once temperatures drop a little bit Sunday and Monday, we're still going to be running about 5 to 7 degrees above normal. Temperatures around the bay peak a day earlier. Thursday and Friday look like the warmest days as that offshore wind is going to weaken a little bit as we head into the weekend, allowing temperatures to retreat down to the low 70s, which still isn't bad at all for the middle of May. And along the coast, temperatures get close to 70 for a couple of days, Thursday and Friday. Again, everything depends on the wind direction. That offshore wind is going to allow coastal parts of the Bay Area to participate in this particular warming trend, unlike the last one that happened about a week ago. Yes?
All right, thanks, Paul.